Okay. So how many of you have been to a weekly market? I have my hand raised. Yes, Chandi Bazaar. So quite a few. Today I'm going to share my experience with you all, with those who haven't been there, and I'll put you all through the same. So as soon as I entered in there, I came across a lot of Jain and Gupta aunties making their way with their fat bellies, and they just didn't give me space because they all wanted to be first. I don't know for which race, but they all wanted to be first. They all are so much in a hurry as if they are working for NASA. मतलब क्या तुम्हारे बिना अगला कोई launch नहीं होगा. Actually, there are so many people in our country. People are just everywhere. Sometimes you even have a waiting to go to a Sulabh Shauchalaya. And especially in these markets, I think half the population is buying tomatoes at the same time on the same day, so that they can throw it on me as the video ends. Also, there are some guys in their youth, those who love to try new things. These guys are really adventurous, mind you. And it's good actually, because if they'll do new things, it's finally going to be contributed in our country's development. And what better way to utilize their time than coming with their scooties to these markets? But they do not have normal scooties. They have dad's gift written over it, which is a tag for cool people. And they go just like pee and brake and pee and brake and pee and brake and pee. These guys just love to move 2 to 3 centimeters at a time. मतलब जाके LK Advani को join कर लो ना. Next week the same guys are like, boy कल तेरे boy ने शनि बजा का स्कूटी निकाल ली. अरे वाह यार क्या बात है. मतलब क्या देखो, पद्म विभूषण, पद्मश्री, भारत रत्न, कुछ तो दो. Also the obsession for saying bhai in Delhi is so much that when Salman Khan became the god in God Kusti Great, he got the most number of missed calls from Delhi. Bye. We don't even try. The cheap seats are not gonna get this. Everyone in our country is so much in a hurry that we gradually ended up being the most unpunctual country in the world. Thanks to these people. The aunties especially are so much in a hurry to buy those cheap hair clips that they fight to get in the front row of those thelas. That VIP Northeast stand. But not everyone gets a place there. Because 75% of that place is booked for reservations. This is India. Sometimes the competition to get that place is even tougher than cracking IIT. And yes, who can forget the classic? 10 kilo, random kilo.
मेरे दादाजी हमेशा कहते थे कि जो होता है पैसे के लिए होता है, इसलिए मैंने ये बनाया.
The Life X Pack, which is 99.99% original with 100% satisfaction. Oh yeah! For the moment of glory, as one said, practice makes one perfect. It's my time. My time is now.